Welcome to the Jeeconnect Education, where we believe in exploring every aspect of a student's potential. Today, we will delve into a fascinating concept known as a DMIT, Dermatoglyphics Multiple Intelligence Test. Dermatoglyphics, or the study of the fingerprints, reveals an incredible story about an individual's innate intelligence and talent. Each unique pattern holds a clue to understanding one's cognitive abilities, personality traits, learning styles, and more. DMIT identifies the multiple intelligences a person possesses, paving the way for a tailored educational approach. It's not just about IQ, it's about recognizing diverse intelligence types such as logical, mathematical, linguistic, spatial, interpersonal, intrapersonal, musical, kinesthetic, and naturalistic. With the Jeeconnect Education emphasis on the personalized learning, DMIT plays a pivotal role. It enables us to understand a student's strengths and areas for improvement, guiding us in crafting an educational plan that nurtures their unique abilities. At Jeeconnect Education, our mission is to unlock every student's full potential. DMIT is one of the tools we use to achieve that goal, a tool that helps us to understand, support, empower our learners in their educational journey. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the world of Dermatoglyphics Multiple Intelligence Test. Remember, understanding your unique intelligence is the key to unlocking a world of opportunities in education.